you've made it this far, congrats. It's time to take things to the next level. So far, we've covered the basics of creating a theme. We're going to start discussing some advanced concepts for WordPress theme development. We'll be covering various topics, so you might find that we jump around from theme to theme for example purposes. Don't worry, I'll be sure to guide you through every step of it. Before we jump right into it, I want to take the time to go over the WordPress coding standards. We haven't discussed this before because I didn't want to overwhelm you. However, now that we're going over some advanced concepts, I think it's important to understand some of the coding standards WordPress recommends you use. In the resource section of this lecture, I provide a link to the WordPress Core Handbook. This book covers a lot of the core programming concepts related to WordPress. One of the sections is called WordPress Coding Standards. This is what I'm looking at right now. If I click PHP Coding Standards, I'll be taken to a page with examples of how code should be written, from indentation to how functions and classes should be named. I'm going to go back to the previous page. There are 4 coding standards for PHP, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I want you to read over each of these sections before proceeding on to the rest of the course. These 4 chapters go over how you should write your code for WordPress themes and plugins. Keep in mind that all of these standards aren't forced. You won't be restricted from uploading your code to the WordPress repository, but consistent code is something to be valued. I've downloaded hundreds of themes and plugins, and some of the code is horrendous. Some of the mistakes I find can actually be solved if the developers took the time to adhere to WordPress's coding standards. So please take the time to read over this. I'll also try my best to follow these standards.